Hello everybody, welcome back to skidsteers.com. I'm Isaac and today we're going to be talking about the solid R4 tread tires. These are going to be the most common solid tires in the industry based on that tread pattern, that R4 tractor style tread. These are going to be fantastic in pretty much every application, whether that be dirt, snow, gravel, mud. It's going to give you fantastic traction, as well as if you're on construction sites, steel mills, or scrap yards, because again, they are solid rubber tires all the way through to the rim. So no flats, no downtime. If you do run into a sharp piece of metal or you hit a nail or anything like that, it's not going to pop the tire, of course, like you would with an air fill, which would cause downtime. You'd have to maybe order a new set of air filled or whatever it may be. So these are going to give you a lot longer life, as well as a lot more durable than those air-filled tires. We typically are seeing about 4 to 5 times longer life on these tires than you would with your typical air-filled. So for example, if you're getting about, let's say, 1,000 hours out of your air-filled tires, you're going to see about 4,000 to 5,000 hours on the solids, which is going to be a lot more cost effective because you're going to be able to run on these tires for a lot longer time than needing replacements with your air filled. These tires do come in a couple different options. We've got them in your 10-16.5 or 12-16.5, and that would be based on your make and model machine, which one that you would need. 90% of the machines take a 8-on-8 bolt pattern, and that's what you see here is that 8-on-8 bolt pattern with a 6-inch pilot hole, and then these bolts would be 8 inches across from one another, center to center. And again, I would say about 90% of the skid steers out there that take tires have that bolt pattern. We do also have the solids in a couple different bolt pattern options based on those few make and models that need the distance between those bolt holes to be wider. So for example, like an 8-on-10.75 or something like that. You do see here on the side the aperture holes, and these are going to be really good when you're running in a hot state, let's say Texas or Florida or Arizona or somewhere like that. It's going to help prevent heating on the tires, and it's going to keep them cool running on those hot surfaces on those really hot days. As well as you're going to get a little bit of cushion. So with it being solid rubber all the way through to that rim, with these aperture holes, it's not going to be a super stiff tire, for example. I mean, it still is, of course, but it's going to give you that little bit of room to have a smoother ride, which is going to have, a much better feel when you're riding around on a site or in gravel or dirt or whatever it may be. On these solid tires, they are manufactured with a high quality natural rubber compound, which is going to give you longer life and more durability when taking that abrasion from sharp rocks, nails, whatever it may be, scrap, if you're on a scrap yard, etc. You're also going to find that it's a 1 3/4 inch thick tread, which is going to give you deeper groove, more edge, more bite, and a longer life on the tires. So you're going to get additional traction, whether you're in snow, dirt, gravel, or whatever it may be that you're needing to get that traction. You'll be able to get that with these R4 solid tires. Each of these tires also weigh 293 pounds, which is a total of 1,172 pounds, which is going to give your machine additional weight. So if you are needing counterweight on the machine, if you're lifting, a heavy load of product, or you're putting a very heavy attachment on your skid steer, these are going to be great to give you that extra weight that you may be needing. These are directional tires, so you will get 2 rights and 2 lefts. And it will be easily indicated with the stickers that are added on to the tire when receiving, which is going to make it very easy to take these off the bed of a truck, get them off the pallet, and easily bolt them onto the side of your skid steer, whether you need it to go on the left or the right, of course. We are offering a 1-year warranty against any manufacturer defects on these tires, as well as we are offering free shipping. If you do have any questions or are interested, feel free to give us a call here. Our number is 866-315-3134, or you can click the link in the description below to see any additional specs or photos that you may be looking to get. Thank you all very much for watching, and you all have a great day.